Hello, everybody. It is Nerdy Weaves here. I am back with a new reaction. We are reacting to HalaCG's Makima rap, All Mine from Chainsaw Man. All right, I had to make sure that everything was there. I think this is the first time we're reacting to a Chainsaw Man rap that is actually just directed towards Makima. Because we've reacted to Denji like twice. I listened to Hero of Hell on my own time, and same thing with Power Makes a Queen. If you see my drawing videos, you saw that I used it for Sukuna Power mashup drawing. So this is going to be interesting, just it being Makima this time. This beat. Oh! Oh! Hold up! Oh! Hold up, okay. Hala, you going a little bit evil, going on evil. Like, these number schemes is like, this is some Melanie Martinez type-ish. Like, I can kind of hear your actual, like, your accent actually, because if y'all don't know this, Hala's also from the UK, and I can kind of hear it in her voice. See?
500 bags, not much blood to the news. Yeah,
oh.
No guns, shoot. I tell him, no one stands.
Oh!
Not you.
You did not just do that. They don't know. The anime watchers don't know. Don't. Well, I don't care. I've read the manga. Like, Hala, are you reading the manga? Oh, man.
And I'll keep you down, your mind, all mine. Pull you along, fall in line. This sight, catch your eyes. Want to get hypnotized.
Oh, the foreshadowing.
Oh my, fill up your head with white lies. Break right, you just might. Climb up and shine is a quick word to the wise. You're mine. Don't care for your tools.
Oh!
The world I know, you'll see the same. They label me as cool, when all I've done is reduce the pain.
Hala, you are really going on this villain arc. You are really going on this villain arc-ish.
I make someone drool. Like you, they think they have what it takes. I'm bending all the rules, and I must judgment left in my way. One left, care for your heart, don't meet death. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, swept, but you still can't detect what's next. Well,
back.
500 men still there, never will I lose. Yeah, no guns, shoot. I tell them, no one stands in my lane, not you, not you. And I'll keep you down, your.
Hello, are you okay? And also, what the frick is wrong with you? Not wrongly, what the frick's with you? Seriously.
All mine, pull you along, fall in line. This sight, catch your eyes, want to get hypnotized. You're mine, all mine, fill up your head with white lies. Break right, you just might. Climb up and shine is a quick word to the wise. You're mine. I will remain. Stare on while ending. All mine.
Spoilers
Pull
everywhere.
you along, fall in line. This sight, catch your eyes. Want to get hypnotized. All mine, all mine. Fill up your head with white lies. Break right, you just might. Climb up and shine is a quick word to the wise. You're mine.
Woo! Hala is leveling up. Oh my god. My goodness, what? I was talking to a couple just reacted to this saying, hold up. Yo, this was some really creative, like, constructive music. Like, this was probably one of the most constructive, like, and it's like, I think Hala's getting into her pocket, much like Sailor. Well, Hala's been getting into her pocket, but like Sailor, because Sailor just released an EP earlier this year. I mean, beginning of this year, like, beginning of January, first day. Sorry. But, oh my god, like, Hala, like, I think Rush has said this best, like, she is, like, in that, she's in this level that Rush, I think Rush has had to work till, but she's younger than, she is somewhat younger than Rustage. But yet, like, she is, like, leveling up every time. Because, like, and that's always a good thing about Nerdcore. I said this about when I reacted to Sailor's song Limbo with Analyst TV, that her, Sailor You Love, and a few bunch of other female Nerdcore artists are going to level up. And that's the great thing about being in Nerdcore, is we see these people level up, and we look forward to it because we know that there's something to do, and they spread variety because they don't stay in the same subject and same subject matter. They often vary and varieties everything, and that's what's great about it. So I'm glad I got to react to this. I just reacted to DPS's Broly Legend remix. So I think if we get more reactions in, we're gonna get Sailor Your Love and probably Rustage, because Sailor's released more songs from the EP, and Rush has that overpowered anime character rap. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe, share. Make sure you subscribe to Hala and check this video, and if you love Chainsaw Man, check it out because it's a banger. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.